Hello everyone, it's September 2024 and it's bare month. So how many days before Christmas? But before this, I have a new project or do-it-yourself which you can join and share to you, diba? Ito nga, the flat wall TV, which is the best trend right now in interior design for your home theater entertainment. I like to hang the TV on the wall, diba? With some fluted panels and hanging clothes shelves, diba? Kaya join me and I will show you what we did in our do-it-yourself design for the weekend, diba? So let's begin. So this wall is generally a dark gray stone wall, diba? But we just painted it with white primer paint, diba? So that to make it different naman. And of course, to match with the inspiration of the flat wall TV designs we showed you earlier. So our wall bracket is almost done, diba? But we have a problem, diba? Pero Houston, no need to worry. Tito Nelius is here, diba? We got you. Hammer time! Can't touch this. Hammer time! So imagine if we use a real marble or granite here. It's so heavy. You cannot use a liquid nail. But glad we just use a board which has a marble stone finish, diba? Which we can just screw on the wall, diba? You know, similar, diba? But perfect. Love it. So for the fluted panel, it is usually 2.9 meters in length, diba? Or typically 290 cm. Perfect, diba? At perfect siya dito. Lalo na to cover this panel board temporarily kasi syempre, we need to open it immediately if needed to be opened, diba? Even if it's covered with a fluted panel. At kung gusto mo naman ng hanging shelves at you cannot find the wood, maybe go to IKEA. Just buy the lock. It's about 190 cm. Yun yung kanilang pinaka width na malaki. And then install it on this textured brick wall that we painted in white, diba? Cool, oh? At eye level pa ang ating tingin, diba? Para perfect. Yan, oh. Pwede na? Pwede na, diba? At sa gabi pa. Kaya gusto ko nang manood ng Idol Lodi ni Tito Nelius. At ang ating number 1 ay syempre, itong Idol Lodi ni Tito Nelius na si Tom Cruise, diba? Iyon, no? Eh, sino bang mag-aakala after 30 years of Top Gun 1, diba? Itong si Tito Tom Cruise, gumawa ng Maverick Top Gun 2, diba? At syempre, ang ating number 2 idol, walang iba si Kaloy Yulo, ang ating 2-time gold medalist sa gymnastics sa Paris Olympics. Kaya itong si Tito Nelius, diba, every time nanonood dito sa home theater, ginagaya niya ang kanyang idol, si Kaloy Yulo, diba? Especially dito sa floor exercise na gamit lang ni Tito Nelius ay ang napakaliit na carpet, diba? You know? And I'm just having some fun to make you smile, diba? You know? At syempre, September 1 today. At ready na naman kumanta ang ating idol number 3 na si Jo Marie Chan, diba? Syempre, ilang dekada na tong kantang to at talagang hindi ito mawawala every time magsimula ang ating bare months dito sa Pilipinas because Philippines maybe has the longest Christmas celebration season, diba? Starting with the September. I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Diba? Ang sarap magkaraoke talaga. At syempre, after magkaraoke, panoorin naman yung ating number 4 idol ni Tito Nelius. Itong walang iba kundi si CMG channel, diba? Ng YouTube. Ito yung future vlogger ata or feeling vlogger. Ayun, no? CMG channel, oh. Ano ba ang kanyang latest? Siyempre, yung patawanin kayo sa mga vlogs niya, di ba? Kasi yun ang gusto niya eh. To share, to make you smile, di ba? Iyan, no? Di ba? Mukha pa lang. Matatawa ka na, di ba? Talagang lodi talaga ni Tito Nedis itong si CMG channel at lalo na at birthday niya tong vlog na to, oh. So, please subscribe to my channel, CMG channel. Oh. Yun, no? Thank you for watching.